minutos, kalapasan tayo alas 2.
The Party Station.
Everyone's making the switch. 97.7.
The new 97.7.
Today's hottest music.
Freak Radio. 97.7. Turn us on when you're ready to have fun.
Sa pagtingin natin, sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang pakikinggan. Mapagkailangan ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pagdalawan. Kaya't sa aming awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Puta pa yung nagkablaw dito yung ating June. Kung na nakablaw ang man, tayo asawak na ni Dennis at Tividad. Advance happy birthday to December 22. Pakibag-angkal nga ay atak isuna. Agyaman nag-ispi Wiling Tipidag. Ay, nakapol ko tayo na. Pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pagdalawan. Kaya't sa aming awit tayo ay bigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. At ang apubisin namin ito ay estasyon. Thank you very much for dropping by. At gumasang na ka ng CD. So, matagitiwang pa'y kopya na mo.
Kuwatang kayo!
Yan. Ang apartid dito, nangihina. Siyempre. Ibig ay parang lansangan Pakikaruba, dati may kalong nga pasat programa tayo. Iti makon ko ng laok-laok. Isang mabalin yung apoy. Tag-request iti ure niya nga lengguahe. English, Tagalog. English, Tagalog. And siyempre, English ka Tagalog pa eh. Ayan. Diretso ti sonata ka Aruba. Bahala ka manglako tak kumanta ko lang. Sige, bahala ka ta. Who draws the crowd and plays so loud, baby? It's the guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show? You know, baby, it's the guitar man. He can make you laugh, he can make you cry. He will bring you down, but he'll get you high. Something keeps him going, miles and miles a day, to find another place to play. Night after night, who treats you right, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's on the radio, you go listen to the guitar man. Then he comes to town and you'll see his face, and you think you might like to take his place. Something keeps him drifting, miles and miles a day, searching for the songs to play. Then you listen to the music and you like to sing along. You want to get the meaning out of each and every song. Then you find yourself a message and some words to call your own and take them home. You high, he will bring you down, and he'll make you cry. Something keeps him moving, but no one seems to know what it is that makes him go. Then the lights begin to flicker, and the sound is getting deep. The voice began to falter and the crowd is getting thin, but he never seems to notice. You just got to find another place to play. Fade away, got to play. Fade away, got to play. Fade away. Agor kagahana mo makakonsentre balong ito yung agkanta. Damdama tayo pa nagpirma ako na yan. Sikapit ti kumanta, agor ka tayo pilyang kati kanta. Okay, dagito yabis kita itarta. Taga-ano kayo ating? Taga Baluarte na. Okay. Ado mo tapo ti kagayam nga taga Baluarte kas kumada manang ada kabsat da ading alet-let. Ponson bi mamuyo dagi jay. Rufin Mary iti putput no nga nagan na di nalipatak iti apelyado na di Balasang. Oh, okay. Talaga nga, magna kayo pa eh. Okay. Okay, dispensary niya apot. Asikas mimit iti bisita kat agpatugtog kami man iti sonata.